Hey there, little explorers. Welcome to Smarty Tales Kids, where learning is fun and every day's an adventure. Let's go.
Melody puffs wagging tail. Zip zips by like the wind's own sail.
Zip was engrossed in a game, pushing his favorite bright red ball across the path. In his focus, he didn't notice the tiny, orderly line of ants marching along a well-worn trail, carrying crumbs twice their size back to their colony. He accidentally placed his ball directly across their highway. The effect was immediate and chaotic. The ants, these master navigators, were thrown into confusion. They scrambled around the giant, red obstacle, their pheromone trail disrupted, their diligent work brought to a standstill. Zip, still unaware, continued his play. It was Mellow who gently pointed out the disruption. "Look, Zip," he said, kneeling down. "See how they work as a team. Each one has a job. They are the smallest workers in Sunnyville, but they are among the most important." He taught a lesson in respect for all creatures, no matter their size. A wave of regret washed over Zip as he realized his mistake. He hadn't meant to cause trouble. The pups immediately set to work, carefully clearing the ants' path. Puff used his fluffy tail like a soft broom, gently sweeping away tiny bits of debris. But they didn't just restore the path, they improved it, building a small, sturdy bridge of a twig over a dip in the earth, a piece of creative infrastructure for their tiny neighbors. The ants, sensing the danger had passed and the path was now better than ever, reformed their line and began marching again, a triumphant parade of tiny perseverance. The pups watched, cheering quietly for the successful tiny workers. It was a profound moment of understanding. Respect is owed to all creatures, big and small, for every being has an important role to play in the great tapestry of life.